you don't have something like this to clean your brushes off, that's totally fine. Your fingers are gonna work perfect. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do this just using my fingers. Using conditioner today to wash my makeup brushes, I find this works really well. Just use whatever you have on hand. So I'm gonna take a pump, or just a small little dab here. This is my foundation brush, and this one's definitely gonna be the hardest to clean. So I'm just going to kind of go in circles back and forth across my fingers. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm squeezing out whatever foundation is, whatever makeup is coming to the surface off of the brush here. And I'm just gonna keep doing that, rinsing, making sure that once it is clean, I'm getting out all that conditioner and whatever's left kind of on the brush. So that looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna continue to do this with all my brushes here, just adding a little bit of conditioner as I need it. And doing that same technique of just kind of circles and squeezing. If I need more conditioner, I'll add it. And you could definitely buy like an 80-cent conditioner or go to the Dollar Tree and pick up a huge bottle of conditioner for $1. I've done that before. That works super well. It's super cost efficient and it works just as well, and it's much more affordable than buying a teeny tiny thing of brush cleaner that is only gonna last you a couple washes. When I set my brushes out to dry, I actually take like a little washcloth and I roll it up, and then I'll put it underneath a larger towel and put my brush handles leaning up against that long washcloth that's rolled up. That way the handles are up at an angle and the brush heads are laying down. This way it just helps the whatever water is left in the actual bristles of the brush to drain down, and it keeps the water from going up into the handles and loosening up the glue so your brush tips fall off of the handles here. And I'll just leave them like this for an hour or two, or however long it takes to dry. And that's pretty much just how I wash my makeup brushes. You don't need one of those little fancy brush cleaners. You don't need any of the expensive little hand glove things. You don't need any of that. Just your fingers, either olive oil, conditioner, baby soap. It all works really well. It does the job, and as you can see, it cleaned everything off. They're clean, and I did it on a really great budget.